Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the 2 screws securing the left side cover and lift the cover off the system. Identify and unlatch the front cover of the machine to remove it. Find the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Flip the assembly over. Remove the 2 screws and slide the hard drive out of the assembly to remove it. To reinstall the hard drive, slide it back into the assembly and install the 2 screws. Flip the assembly over and place it back in the system. Tighten the 2 screws and reconnect the cables. Relatch the front cover to the system and secure the left side cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.